Hi children, good afternoon everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to social online class. In the last few classes, we have learned chapter 6, right? Yes, have you all understood this chapter? Can you say the title of this chapter? This is the title. Can you remember this? Egyptian and Chinese civilizations, right? Egyptian and Chinese civilizations. These two civilizations were the oldest civilizations of the world, right? Okay. The Egyptian civilization and the Chinese civilization were the oldest civilization of the world, right? Yes, in this chapter we have learnt about the timeline, the geographical extent, their monuments and their society and occupation, their language and writing, their religion, their significant contributions towards the world, right? These were the things we have learnt in this chapter. Did you go through the book? Did you read the lesson? If not, please go through it and read at least twice. Okay? Yes? Have you completed the book back exercise? If you could have read the lesson only, you can complete. Did you read and complete? I hope few children only have written, right? Yes? Those who have completed, please listen this video, and if there is any error, please correct it. Okay? Others, please listen to this video and write it in your textbook. Okay, can you please take the textbook? Yes? Hope you have near, right? Okay. You can take your textbook and pencil and eraser. Sharp pencils. You have to use sharp pencils while writing in the textbook. Okay, children? Yes. Write neatly in small letters. Okay? Yes. Shall we start? We can do the fill in the blanks. That is book back exercise in this video. Okay? You have to take page number 120. 120. The book back exercise. Yes? Yes. 122. Okay? Sorry, not 120. It is 122. 122. You can take page number 122 to do the book back exercises. Shall we start? Okay. Yes, it is fill in the blanks, right? Yes. Question number 1, that is A. The Egyptians cultivated dash to make bread. What did they make? The Egyptians cultivated dash to make bread. What did they cultivate? Wheat, right? Yes, from wheat they have made bread. The spelling for wheat is W-H-E-A-T. Have you all written? Okay, good. The Egyptians cultivated wheat to make bread. The next question is, the largest pyramid is Pharaoh dash great pyramid at dash. Okay. Can you understand the question? The largest pyramid is Pharaoh. Where it is? Great pyramid at where? Okay. The largest pyramid is Pharaoh. Khufu's great pyramid. It is at what? Giza, right? Great Pyramid of Giza. The largest pyramid is Pharaoh Khufu's Great Pyramid at Giza. The spelling is, in the first blank you have to write Khufu. Okay? Khufu. Then the next blank you have to write Giza. Giza. The largest pyramid is Pharaoh Khufu's Great Pyramid at Giza. Okay? The third one. Are you writing, children? Are you following me? Okay, good. The dash were the only people who could read and write in ancient Egypt. The dash were the only people who could read and write in ancient Egypt. Who were they? What? Yes, they were scribes. Tell the spelling for scribes. Yes, Scribes. Scribes. Okay. The scribes were the only people who could read and write in ancient Egypt. The next one. In China, the educated officials were treated like dash. In China, the educated officials were treated like nobles. Spell the word nobles. Nobles. Nobles, right? Nobles. Nobles. In China, the educated officials were treated like nobles. The last fill in the blanks. The Great Wall of China has a long history of more than dash years. The Great Wall of China has a long history of more than dash years, more than 2300 years. Okay, children, more than 2300, 2300. You have to write. The Great Wall of China has a long history of more than 2300 years. Okay, have you all completed the fill in the blanks? Okay, shall we move on to this choose the correct answer? Okay, good. Now, question number 2, that is choose the correct answer. Are you following me? Okay. Question number 1, that is A. Okay. Dash was the capital of the United Egypt. Dash was the capital of the United Egypt. What's the answer? 3 options have been given there, right? You have to choose the correct option and put a tick mark. That's enough. No need to write in the blank. Okay, just put a tick mark near the correct option. Dash was the capital of the United Egypt. That is option 2, Memphis. Okay, Memphis, Memphis, right? You have to put a tick mark in that. Memphis was the capital of the United Egypt. Now second question, the Egyptian farmers cultivated flax to make dash cloth. Okay, cloth, cloth, that is option 2. Put a tick mark near option 2. The Egyptian farmers cultivated flax to make what cloth? The third one is Emperor dash called himself the first emperor. Emperor, what was the name of that emperor who himself called the first emperor, right? Qin Shi Huang. Qin Shi Huang, that is option 2. Please put tick mark in option 2. Qin Shi Huang. Emperor Qin Shi Huang called himself the first emperor. Now the question number 4, that is D. The last dynasty in China was the dash. The last dynasty, you have to read as dynasty, okay? The last dynasty in China was the dash. Qing, right? Qing, Qing. Okay, the last dynasty in China was the Qing, Qing. Option 2, please put tick mark in option 2. Last, choose the correct answer. That is E. Dash and dash are some of the inventions of Chinese. Dash and dash are some of the inventions of Chinese. What were they? abacus and gunpowder. That is option 2. Please put tick mark in option 2. Okay. Abacus and gunpowder are some of the inventions of Chinese. Clear, children? Yes. Have you all completed? Fill in the blanks as well as choose the correct answer. I hope you have completed, right? Okay. Are you writing neatly? You have to use only the pencils to write in your book. Okay. Don't use pen. Understood? You must keep your books very neat. Okay, children? Yes, I hope you have completed. Fill in the blanks as well as choose the correct answers. Right? Okay. Now, match the following. Okay? Yes, match the following. Match this column A with the column B. I have given direct answers here. Okay? You can write option A, B or C, whatever may be the answers near the answer. You have to mark as ABC. Okay? Don't put 1, 2, 3 or don't draw lines. Okay? Please don't draw lines. It looks ugly. Okay? It makes a mess in your book. Okay? Please don't draw lines. Just mark the answers. Okay? If the answer is A means you write A near that particular answer. Clear, children? Okay. First one mains. Okay, MENES mains. What's the answer for that? Yes, it is the last one, fifth one, unified Egypt. Right? Unified Egypt. So near unified Egypt, you have to write A. Okay, alphabet small a you write. Means unified Egypt. Near unified Egypt, you have to write A. Then Khufu, 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 okay. What's the answer for that? Largest pyramid. Near that largest pyramid, that is the third one. Near that largest pyramid, you have to write B. Small b, small letter B, okay. Then Tutankhamun, Tutankhamun, 8-year-old pharaoh. Who was called as pharaoh? King, right? Okay. He was only 8 years old. 8-year-old pharaoh. Near that answer you have to write C. C. Then Zaya. Okay. Zaya. First Chinese dynasty. Near that you have to write D. Zaya was the first Chinese dynasty. Okay. Please remember this. Then Qin Shi Huang. Uniform weights and measures. Near that you have to write E. Okay. Uniform measures, uniform weights and measures. The first one's answer is unified Egypt, largest pyramid. The next one, the next 8-year-old pharaoh, first Chinese dynasty, uniform weights and measures. Let me read the question with answer. Means unified Egypt. Khufu, largest pyramid. Tutankhamun, 8-year-old pharaoh. Zaya, first Chinese dynasty. Qin Shi Huang, uniform weights and measures. Okay, children, have you all completed? I hope you have completed. Okay, try to complete the green boxes also inside. Okay, children, in the next video, I will give you the question answers. Yes? Okay, understood this chapter, right? I hope you have understood well about the Egyptian civilization as well as the Chinese civilization. Okay, any doubt you have? If you have any doubt, please contact me personally. Okay, children? Okay, see you in the next class. Please obey your parents, study well. Okay, children? Yes, see you. Thank you. Bye.